that's what I'll do. That's my final decision. Hey guys, it's me, Talia Risa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel.
Like, comment, subscribe.
So today we have a lot going on, guys. I'm covered. So much going on. But I am taste testing a bunch of things today. And all of them are meatless. Yes, meatless. It may look like I have some meat on my plate, but it's all meatless, and we're going to see how it is. So let me tell you what I have. So I have a bunch of Morningstar products that I wanted to try. The one I have in this hand is the Veggie Popcorn Chicken. And then this is the Veggie Sausage Pizza Bites. Vegetizers, and these are labeled as vegan products. It says non-GMO soy and other things that are in the ingredients of it. I also have here the Vegetizer veggie buffalo wings. Here is not a Morningstar product, but I saw this in the store and I was like, I wonder how it tastes. So this is Kraft mac and cheese, but it's cauliflower pasta. It's not dairy free. It still has the cheese, and so you still have to use like the milk and the butter, and has the cheese, but the pasta is cauliflower. So I'm curious to see what that will be like. These are the meatballs, Morningstar meatless or plant protein meatballs, made out of soy as well. And it's considered vegan, a vegan option. And then this is Veggie Dogs. And let me see. This one is the only one that doesn't have vegan on the back. So I'm thinking this one is probably just vegetarian, not so much a vegan product. So I know Morningstar was working on making their products actually vegan, and this must be one that's not. It just says Veggie Corn Dogs. So it's a vegetarian option, which is okay. So that's what I have here on the plate. There's the meatballs and the stuff. I'll show you. So, and then I have some cucumber and tomato with salt and pepper that I had left over. So I was like, I need some veggies in there somehow. All right, guys, so I put all of that back in the freezer. So we're going to say a prayer and get started. Dear God, thank you for this food that I'm about to eat. Thank you for this day. I ask that you be with my viewers, keep them happy, healthy, and safe. God, I ask that you be with the families who are grieving the loss of loved ones today. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen. All right, guys, so I'm hungry. I just came back from physical therapy, and then I had to put this together. And so I'm hungry. So I'm hoping that this is good, because the worst thing is when you're hungry and the food's not good. You just feel so dissatisfied. So what should I try first? I think I'm going to get into the pasta, because it seems like pasta gets cold quickly. So this is the macaroni and cheese cauliflower pasta. So I was thinking it would probably be good because, you know, like cauliflower and broccoli is good with cheese anyway. So I thought the pasta noodles would probably be good. So here we go. It's pretty good. Like, it's just basic Kraft pasta. I don't taste a huge difference. I mean, I haven't had like a Kraft macaroni and cheese box pasta in a long time. So I'd probably have to, I need to compare it like with the regular one. Like, I need like a side-by-side comparison, because I mean, I can kind of taste the cauliflower, but I can't, if that makes sense. Who knows?
Hey guys, so when I looked closer at the box, I realized that they actually just infused cauliflower into the pasta. So it's not particularly just cauliflower pasta. That's why it tastes so similar to the regular pasta.
But it's decent. I could do it. So let me get into one of these. These kind of scare me a little bit. Meatballs, because it's plant-based. So I don't know. I guess I'll try it without the sauce. Did y'all see that? Let's see. It's not bad. They seasoned it a little bit. I cooked all of this in the oven. So let me try it in this. This is a Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. So let's see. Y'all ignore my nails. I need to get them done. I like pulled off the dip that I had, which is probably not a good idea. So let me see. With the barbecue sauce, that's doable. A bite for you. I'm curious of how this would be with like pasta sauce. Like if I did like, That's definitely doable. By itself, just kind of basic, but with the barbecue sauce, it's good. All right. Let's get some veggies. Just some cucumber, tomato with salt and pepper. All right. This is the little pizza pocket. It's supposed to be like sausage pizza. And so you can see that here. Let me try it. It has like a pizza pocket taste for sure. Let me try it with the ranch. I think a kid would like that. Like, I don't think they'd even question that it wasn't meat, because it has the pizza-y flavor. And whatever the cheese they use, the vegan cheese or whatever, that's doable. I don't think that would be something that I would buy, like, just for me, like, just to eat regularly. But I think a kid would like it. Now, let's try these little buffalo wings or nuggets. So I saw Trisha Paytas was tearing these up in a video. So let's give it a try. This is hard to tell the difference between a chicken nugget. Like, no lie. It's really hard to tell that this is not a chicken nugget. That's crazy. Let's try it in the ranch. These are good. That's good if you just want like a little crunch fried snack. And just enough little spice. That's good with that spicy sauce. I'm thinking these nuggets will probably taste the same. These little popcorn chickens. So, let's see. Yeah, it tastes the same. It's just, this has the little spiciness because it's buffalo. So I like these better because of that. But these are good. Let's try it with the barbecue sauce. It's a bite for you. So far, these are probably my favorite. These are okay, but they're decent. I think a kid would eat it. These are good with sauce, so I'm curious to try that with pasta sauce. I'm definitely gonna finish those. These are really good. And I don't mind the mac and cheese. Like, of course, it's nothing like homemade, but you could really doctor this up. You could add stuff to it and doctor it up. But I was just curious to try it because I was looking in the pasta aisle for just the different pastas that were there, and I saw that box, and I was like, let me give it a try. Like, you can taste the hint of cauliflower in the pasta for sure. Like, it doesn't taste like regular pasta, but I'd be curious like to compare it with their regular one. These are good. Like I said previously, I think if anybody decides to really change their lifestyle to a vegan lifestyle, it's much more than just like finding products. It's really a lifestyle. And Be Love, in one of her videos, she was, I think it was like she had ordered this vegan chicken, and they basically took jackfruit, I believe, and like shaped it in the form of like a chicken leg, and then they stuck a sugar cane in the end of it to kind of look like a bone sticking out of the chicken leg. And I was looking at some of the comments, and some people were saying being a vegan is a lifestyle. Like, people who are vegan, it's because they believe it's more ethical not to eat animal products. And then if you're a true vegan, not only do you not eat animal products, you also don't wear animal products like leather and stuff like that. And so I understood what people were saying. I think people should have a little grace though, because if people are trying to incorporate more like vegan products in their life, even if they don't go fully vegan, because I'm not a vegan, but I do like vegan food. And so there's times where I may not eat meat for a while or take a break from meat, and I can enjoy some vegan meals. But I won't proclaim that I'm a vegan. And I think that's probably what people were trying to say. Like, don't say you're a vegan or whatever it might be. I heard her say that at all. I really think she was just, and I think maybe people don't like when you say stuff like, I'm going vegan for a while, like, because they're like, you can't go vegan, like you choose to be vegan, and that's a lifestyle. So I get that. So I'm definitely not a vegan. I take breaks here and now and then from eating meat products, and I enjoy some vegan foods, and so I try to find other options. So like, if I want something quick, like stuff like this could just be like something you eat when you just want something quick and you don't want to cook, or you're just looking for like almost like a junk food that's not actual meat, then stuff like this would be reasonable. So, you know, to each his own. I feel like people should just have more grace and not get so bent out of shape, and just like kindly inform people, because when you kindly inform people, people can learn and do better. And so that's my soapbox. I'm gonna get off of it now and move on. All right, so last thing to try, and then I'm gonna eat some more, but last thing to try is the corn dog, which is the veggie corn dog. It's not vegan. It was like they mark on the box if it's vegan. This one just said veggie. So let's give it a try. It's hard to tell that this is not the breading has like a sweet taste to it. And I cooked this in the oven. A kid would like this. I really do think a kid would like it. Like, I would be curious to like give some of these products to my nephew and not tell him that it's that it's made out of veggies or whatever, and see if he likes it. This is like it tastes like any other frozen corn dog that you might have had when you were a kid. Like, it's not like an amazing meal, but it's good. Like, it's decent. That's crazy. A kid would like that. Interesting. That's something else that I probably wouldn't buy often. But like, I guess if I had a taste for a corn dog, it would be good to have in the freezer. But that would be a good like kid-friendly option if you're trying to give them something quick for after school. Wow. Overall, I'd say Morningstar is doing a pretty good job on their products. Ultimately, of course, it's best to try to not eat too much processed food. And I know this would be considered processed, but I just think if you're going to eat something processed, maybe this would be a better option than like the actual chicken nuggets or the actual like corn dog or whatever. So it's good to have options. Definitely. So if I had to rate these in order of most liked to least liked, I'd say these buffalo chicken nuggets are probably number one. The popcorn chicken is probably number two, and then the cauliflower pasta, and then three would probably be no, that would be three. Four would be the corn dog, and maybe the corn dog and the meatballs are tied, but I'd say the corn dog because the meatballs need like sauce to be good, really, or to be like where I'd want to eat it. And these are probably last because they're okay, but they're just, I think maybe a kid would like it. It wouldn't be something I would buy again. So yeah, that's my taste test, guys. So if you see these products in the store and you're trying to like have some meatless Mondays or meatless days, or trying to have your kids have a meatless day or whatever, try them out and let me know what you think. See if you agree. But this is not bad. Like, it just needs, like, you could doctor it up, really. Even if you add like actual meat to this and then add more cheese or whatever, like if you're just trying to take a break from like regular pasta. But I think I saw some cauliflower like spaghetti, like actual pasta noodles that you could make your own pasta with. So that would be a good good option. I wouldn't be as apprehensive to try that now that I've tried this. Ooh, I'm getting full now. a lot of these products were high in protein. And like I think it was the buffalo nuggets. I think on the box it said something like it had like a pretty big percentage of less fat than like regular chicken nuggets or whatever. So that's good. One more of these meatballs. What did I want it in? The barbecue. But these are decent. Much more so with the barbecue sauce though. By itself, I wouldn't want to just be eating those. Oh. Woo. Let's get one more bite of the pasta. One more bite of the cucumbers and tomato. You can see I didn't want those. They're just, I do think a kid would like them though. One more bite. Well, I'm gonna finish this because it's literally just like one more bite. Cheers. Wait. They say you're supposed to look people in the... I said peoples. They say you're supposed to look people in the eye when you cheers. So let's try this again. Are you looking at me? Okay, here we go. Cheers. That's decent. Like, I might put that, before the pasta. So I think the popcorn, the buffalo chicken nuggets, the popcorn chicken, then the corn dog, then the cauliflower mac and cheese, then the meatballs, and then the pizza rolls. So yeah, that's what I'll do. That's my final decision. But anyway, guys, I really didn't talk about anything today. I guess because I was talking so much about the food, but I'm not going to prolong this video. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to hang in there and stay encouraged with everything going on. Keep everyone in your prayers and your thoughts, and just let's keep uplifting each other and just being there for each other. I look forward to seeing those of you who are going to Atlanta in March. So that'll be fun. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and always, always, always hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. Until next time, bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.